You're telling me that these Z-Force Z10s, all new to the market, all new UTVs, don't come with roofs? We're gonna start with the Z10 two-seater, and as you can see, we have already did something that is going to protect you. This machine is very, very fast. I personally drove it and it blew my expectations out of the water with how it performed stock, the RPMs, the overall ability of the Z-Force. So like I said, added protection for this roll cage. So Thumper Fab has already designed the roof that's going to protect you and give you a better look when it comes to this roll cage. We have several different mounting options when it comes to our lighting here. As you can see, we're running the KC light bar here on top. You also could do the rigid and the 40-inch light bar. Customizable accent wings right here. Of course, these can be powder coated to your liking. So I don't know where you're from, where you're watching from. We get viewers from all over the world. I'm in Texas and it's hot as so when I tell you that this roof blocks all of the sun from you, the climate, the rain, the mud, all of that, all of the above, it's gonna do just that. So mark my word, write it down right now. These are going to explode in the industry. So you know us, we have to stay on top with all of the accessories, but this isn't it. We need you to comment down below, give your feedback of what you want us to see do with these. So what are you waiting for? Comment below, thumperfab.com, and I'll see you on the trails.